Road trip to the world famous and nature's delight, Jog Falls from Bangalore to Shivamogga. Hi friends, hope you are all doing great. Welcome to my channel. This is Ashwini from Maya Creations. Jog Falls is created by the river Sharavati in Sharavati Valley of Shimoga. It is located on the border of Shimoga and Uttara Kannada districts of Karnataka. You will find a spectacular view of Sharavati falling from a height of 829 feet, along with 4 trajectories. The trajectories themselves are named as Raja, Roarer, Rocket and Rani. Raja Falls is majestic, which pours directly down. You can feel the pride of king, means Raja. The next one towards the right of Raja Falls is Roarer. It is named rightly so, as this trajectory loudest among all 4. Towards the right of the Roarer is the Rocket Falls. As the name suggests, this fall looks like as if it's a series of jets are falling down. And finally the Rani Falls, which is the mild and silent falls. During the peak monsoon, you can even hear the roar as well. The Jog Falls is the second highest plunge waterfall of India. The fall is also known as Gerusoppe Falls, Jogad Jalpata or Jogad Gundi in regional language Kannada. Jog Fall drops about a huge of 215 meters in a single fall. I have visited the Jog twice, once during monsoon and once during winter. Both give you a different view. I could not shoot any videos during monsoon as it was raining heavily, but I could take few pictures which you can see. The best time to visit Jog is monsoon. Monsoon in Karnataka is from June to September. During monsoon, it really gives one the best natural beauty. Rivers are on full swing. It feels mountains are awake after a long sleep from summer. It looks like monsoon has decorated the whole valley with sparkling and magnificent waterfall, and also lush green trees and beautiful flowers. Since Jog Fall is a seasonal waterfall, the best time to experience the falls in its natural shade is monsoon. Do carry some umbrella. During summer, we can experience to get into the bottom of the falls. It is around 1400 steps to get to the base of the waterfall. It is also the light of Karnataka, as the power station has been operational since 1940. It is one of the largest hydroelectric stations in India at that time and a small source of electric power of Karnataka now. There aren't too many restaurants near the falls and your options can get a bit limited. It might be good to get some packed food from home or make personal arrangements. The most convenient options are usually hotels and restaurants. One might just find some local dishes here, such as dosa, bisibile bath, idli vada, sambar, kesri bath, ragi mudde and Mysore pak. The other places that you people can visit are: the place is well connected by rail and road from Shimoga city. A number of government buses and private buses operate from Shimoga and Jog Falls. I have given the details like how to reach from Bangalore, How to reach from Shimoga railway station? How to reach from Gokarana to falls? How to reach from Hubli to Jog Falls? Other information regarding timings and laser shows. This place is ideal for other informations like address, contact details, entry fee and visiting hours, their website and parking details. To end this video, I would like to say it was a wonderful time spent in Jog, and it was a wonderful and a memorable experience to me. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please do like, share, comment. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon.